Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to cook swimming crab. First, selecting the freshest crabs is key for a delicious meal. Look for crabs that are active and heavy for their size, indicating good meat content. Before cooking, it's crucial to clean them properly. This involves removing the non-edible parts like the apron, gills, and mouth parts. A good rinse under cold water ensures they are ready for your chosen cooking method, setting the stage for a fantastic dish. There are several popular ways to prepare swimming crab, each bringing out unique flavors. Boiling is straightforward. You simply immerse the crabs in seasoned water for about 10 to 15 minutes until they turn bright orange. Steaming, on the other hand, gently cooks the crab, locking in its delicate sweetness and tender texture, usually taking 8 to 12 minutes. For a smoky twist, grilling halved crabs over medium heat for 5 to 7 minutes per side can be incredibly delicious. Spotify is renowned for its powerful music discovery, offering highly personalized playlists like Discover Weekly and strong social features for sharing. Apple Music counters with immersive spatial audio, real-time lyrics for many songs, and seamless integration if you're already an Apple device user. While Spotify's interface is often praised for its intuitive navigation, Apple Music provides a sleek, polished design that aligns with its brand aesthetic. Once your swimming crabs are perfectly cooked, it's time to enjoy them. Serve them hot with simple melted butter, perhaps infused with garlic or a tangy cocktail sauce. Cracking the shells can be a fun, hands-on experience, revealing the sweet, tender meat inside. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice enhances the flavor beautifully. Consider serving alongside some steamed corn on the cob or a crisp green salad for a complete and delightful seafood feast.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.